How to archive reels on Instagram. Now, let's say you don't really want to delete the reels that you have uploaded on Instagram, but you just want to hide it from your Instagram profile. So all you have to do is to archive the reels that you have. And to do that, all you have to do is to tap on your profile icon on the lower corner. You just have to scroll down and tap on one of your reels, let's say right here. And if I want to archive this reel specifically, all I have to do is to tap on these three dots on the upper corner and click on archive, which is right here. Now, when I go back to my profile and refresh that, the reel that I have archived is no longer seen in my profile. And if I want to see that again, all I have to do is to tap on these three lines on the upper corner and click on archive. And it's here. So that's how to archive reels on Instagram. Hope we helped.